Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening QuickTime Player and granting necessary permissions in System Settings. This lets QuickTime capture screen and audio. Once done, choose File New Screen Recording so the toolbar appears. Use the small arrow next to the record button to pick a microphone and show clicks. Make sure the microphone level is audible by speaking briefly. If you plan to include a webcam, open New Movie Recording in another window so you can position it before recording starts. Once the toolbar is visible, choose whether to capture the entire screen or drag to select a region. Picking a region reduces file size and focuses viewers. Make sure you've chosen the correct microphone and checked Show Mouse Clicks if you want visual feedback. When ready, click Record. If you chose Whole Screen, click anywhere to start after the countdown, or click Start Recording on the selected area. During recording, you can pause with the touch bar or stop from the menu bar. To finish, click the Stop button in the menu bar. Your clip opens for preview so you can trim the start or end and export. When saving, use Export as to pick resolution and generate a smaller MP4 for sharing or save, MOV for full quality. If you don't hear audio, make sure QuickTime has microphone permission in System Settings and that the correct input device is selected. Reboot QuickTime or relaunch the app after changing permissions if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.